Hi everyone, a warm welcome to each and everyone to the another new episode. This is Udita and you are watching Udita's Classroom. So guys, today I am here for sharing the new job openings regarding work from home criteria. And in that case, I will tell you who can apply, what is the eligibility criteria, from what platform the job openings has been published, who can apply, salary package, and at the ending portion, the interview purpose, what is the process of the interview, the total required informations I am sharing in this video in detail. So if you are interested, then stay with me at the end. So don't skip this video and considering subscribe my channel, because you can get here work from home job openings, job updates, and some earning methods, writing tips and tricks, how to be a content writer. So guys, today I am here sharing the information regarding Lido website. Lido is one of the best e-learning websites that will provide some online live classes to the students from KG to 10th standard. So there has been mentioned here openings for the teaching position, and this is the online tutor position. If you are searching some online tutoring work from home job, then this is definitely for you guys. You will apply here. I will mention the link. Go and check the websites. This is a very good website, e-learning websites that will provide some virtual live classes, live interactive sessions. They have mentioned here the subjects, that is some mathematics, maths, science, coding, and some sociology and social and mental health. And that will provide here. You have to teach this type of subjects. If you are an expert this type of subjects, if you have knowledge, details knowledge about this type of subjects, you will be applicable here. Salary package they have mentioned here like 6 lakhs per annum, and this is a very good amount. If you are full timer or you are searching for work from home openings, this is for you. If you are a housewife, you have to manage all the household staffs and want to increase your passive income, then this platform is for you guys also. If you are students continuing your studies but earn some passive income for your own expenses, then this is also for you guys. You have that type of passion, you have that type of interest to teach the kids, so you definitely applicable here. And this salary is up to 6 lakhs per annum, because there is also incentive depending upon your skills, your performance, your ability, and obviously your experience basis. So guys, here one thing is that when you are going to apply here, you have to know the format and the steps. So guys, here the 4 steps to apply here. I will mention the link. Go and click the link where you can find the application format. You have to fulfill the application process. After applying here, they will select the application format, and if you will be shortlisted here, then they will call you for a, that definitely online, they will ask you for a online assessment. And if you will selected and pass that online assessment test, then they will ask for a demo session. And in the demo session, they will provide you a PPT regarding that subject that will mentioned in your format. Like suppose you are expert in math, so you definitely fulfill your application format where the subject you have mentioned, you will mention math. Okay, that is your first priority. Now they will send you the PPT related maths. So you have to demonstrate the math, the steps, how you will teach your students, and they will understand your teaching ability. Depending upon your ability, they will select you. And if you are selected, then in 4th steps, they will ask you for a personal interview, and the interview session will be happen through virtually. So that means the online interview session will be happened. and if you clear that personal interview, they will select you and you will get a confirmation mail from them that you will be selected and you will start your career as online tutor in Lido website. So isn't a good website for you guys? Then if you are interested, then stay with me and go to my laptop screen, the total process.
So now let's check the lidolearning.com platform. Here you can find that about Lido section, teach with us. Okay. Now come to the course section where you can see that KG to grade 3, then grade 4 to 9 and grade 10, that means integrated program with coding. And in grade 4 to 9 where coding, English, math and science. In grade 3, that is the head start, that means the basics. Here the video library, question bank regarding NCERT solutions and some other solutions, and that there is a pricing that will fixed by you. So the place where transformations happen not only for the students but also for you, the tutor with a culture of growth. The objective is to learn, practice and evolve. Okay. So if you want to be a teacher, what should be your steps? So now come to here the platform that why you are going with Lido platform, because of this is first of all flexible working hours, because it is depending totally work from home based job, and competitive pay with your performance. They will provide you some incentives, upskills, skill set, that means value addition, and network and learn. So you have to make a good community, good with some students and globally it will be happened, and you will be the experts of that particular community. So moreover you engage the students, moreover you can attract students and obviously parents. That will make a good community and increase the Lido platform, and that will also increase your incentive. Understand? Now come here that transform your students' life. If you want to be a part of this Lido platform, so here start applications, and but this is for only for the student. Okay, if you be the part of student life of Lido Learning Academy, then it is for students. But if you want to be a good teacher of Lido platform, so now how to become a Lido teacher? So first of all, application form. So here they will provide you a application form where you regarding yourself, all the informations you have to fill properly and correctly. Then show us your skills, that means your teaching capability, teaching skills, and you have to provide them a demonstration through the email ID that will provide by them to you. Okay, and after selection your demo, if they will select your demo and they will think that you are suitable for Lido platform, then they will take an interview virtually where you have to attend virtually, and they will understand about your communication skills regarding English and some your teaching capability. So that interview session will be happen at the final stage. Then if you are selected, then you will be the part of Lido teacher. Okay, so this is the steps. You can go and check the Lido teacher profile, and it's a one of the best and biggest platform of e-learning academy, or you can say online teaching website. Okay, now come here that be the part of teaching revolution. Then it is the application. You have to click the start application, fill up that. Now come here the subject, that is math, science, English, coding and head start, that means the basic. And here depending upon the classes there is various subject regarding different classes. Okay, now what you have to do, that you have to book a free class. If you want to take a free class, then here you can see KG to 10th standard students grade. Suppose you are going with class 7 standard, then click here. Now do you have a PC or laptop? Obviously you have to take online classes, so you have to click yes. pick a subject. Now suppose you are going with English. Okay, now here you have to set a calendar that is for, this is the sign of sun, that means it is the morning session. This is the midnight, that is noon, mid of the day session, and this is the evening session. So now I am going with 10 a.m. Okay, then you have to put here your phone number, and that is here, that is tomorrow, April 24. You can set the date, time, and if you put here the mobile number, then your free class will be set for that particular time and date, and that will send the notification to the students. Okay, so this is the Lido platform where you can take a free class, and if your free class or demo and application will be selected, then they will provide you an interview session. They will conduct an interview of your to check your communication skills, and if you are selected, then you can start your career as a teacher in Lido Learning
Hopefully
platform.
this video is helpful to you who are awaiting for work from home online tutoring job openings. So if you like this type of content, then do like, share and subscribe my channel. Be the part of Udita's classroom. Today after this, hope I will meet with you with the next day with the new informative updates. Till then, take care, goodbye and thanks for watching guys.